back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching one breathing exercise which is very good for cough. Okay, nowadays everyone having cold and cough. For that I'm teaching one dog breathing. Okay, let's start. Sit in Vajrasana. Fold your both legs. This is my cutie pie, Cooper, and keep your both the palms sides. How dog breathes, no? Same way you have to breathe out. Inhale once through nose, after that exhale through mouth. So once breathe in, after that breathe out through mouth. Take out your tongue, stretch your tongue fully. Breathe in. Okay, this is dog breathing we call. So do this 3 to 4 times a day. Okay, that's in the morning, not afternoon. Early morning, better time to do this breathing exercise. And every day taking pills also not good for your health, which is harm your liver and kidney. Everybody knows this. Okay, so please do this breathing exercise and take out all your phlegm and stay fit, stay healthy. See you next video. Namaste.